Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Just wanted to pop on here. I have this really cool product to show you guys. It's from Chaoscleared and they make these really cool storage bags. I have one, but I definitely wish I'd have ordered more because I have so many purposes for it. So check my next video to see. Okay guys, so here's the bag. It is a lot bigger than I thought, which is awesome. I actually have a few products to show you for in here. But it has this little window that's clear so you can see what's in it. There's their logo, Chaoscleared. And it has zippers. You can put the lid on top and keep everything protected and safe. Perfect. I'm going to put a few more things in here, take the blanket out, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's item one. It's actually my boyfriend's 49er blanket that I don't want out because I'm not a 49er fan, so it's gonna go in here. It's awesome because, if you guys can tell, there is a lot more room in this bag to put even another blanket if I wanted to, in which with the little window you can obviously be able to see which blanket is which, and then you can zip it up and keep it safe. So it's check out Amazon to get your chaos bag too. All right, my next item is my Uggs. Now that winter season is over, need to put them away and keep them safe, and this bag will definitely do that. I can obviously see what's in there. As you can see, I've got some that are all the way up and then some that are folded down, and they just fit perfectly in here. I can close it up and grab it out for next winter, so definitely gonna order more of these.